Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge for Professionals. I'm Mohsin Hassan. Uh, in today's video, we will learn about how to grab a certification. Yeah, uh, how to grab international certification uh, for free of cost. So, in this topic, we will uh, guide you how to grab international certification or how you certified international plus a lot of certification, a variety of certification available. And this video is specifically for Pakistan youth and specifically for Punjab province. So I will explain you this step by step so that you can easily understand and obey all the scenario. So I will definitely guide you how to do that, uh, how this possible. So let's get started. So first of all, you just find the global certificate, global IT certifications. So once you mention certification.pitb.gov.pk, so once you mention it, so click on it. So here the website. So basically, it's a global IT certification website. So a lot of certifications, a lot of courses available here. You can search here, like click on certification. All the details are available. So it's really simple. You just click on it, and if you want to search, you may select any like PMP. Yeah, you can see that PMP certifications also available, which is costly. The criteria basically for this certification, first you have like I'm just showing you PMP. For example, so I'm just view the link. So the link uh, forwarded to the principal website like PMI, the related website. So okay, here's my account already available. I'm showing you. I want to show you. Yeah. Now I click on it again. So here is the detail. Full price is $575. The principal amount of this uh, project management professional certification. So basically, the global IT certification platform provide you the reimbursement. How reimburse your fee? Just register on here. You just I have account. You just put name, complete name, and correct name. So then you have to mention the email ID, password, anything, any password you want to choose. Then sign up. So I have already account. So I already have account. So I just log in here and just fill the captcha. And remember, if you want to choose, otherwise log in here. Once you log in, so the very simple three step you have to choose or avail. First of all, uh, you have to create the profile. I have created the profile. If you want to create, or if you want to learn how to create the profile, I will learn in upcoming video if you want. Just place the comment or just mention in comment if you want to get help how to create the profile, then I will prepare the video. So before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Knowledge for Professionals for more professional learning content. Okay, let's get start. Let's get continue. Sorry. So the first once you create the invite profile, the concerned department scrutinize your application and uh, provide you the intimation via email and under your account as well. So my profile is verified by the concerned department. So next step is upload payment proof. So once your profile is scrutinized and verified by the concerned department, you have to provide the payment proof. Like the if I select the PMP certification, so I have to I have to submit the payment proof which I send the concern or the certification authority. I also mentioned all the payment proof and all the concern email attachment submitted to the submitted as required. Once you submitted the all trail of payment, so you have the final and last step of to submit the certificate which you grab. So once you grab the certificate, uh, the concerned department with account number where the payment reimburse where you want uh, or the where you want to get payment back. Once you submit the certificate with account with account number, your payment will be reimbursed soon. That's the simple step. So just wrap up or conclude the video. First of all, you just uh, search the global IT certification. Once you land on the global IT certification website, you have to create an account. Once you create the account, you have to create the profile. Once you create the profile, you have to choose. You have to choose the certification. What certification? What type certification you want to do? Once you once you select the certification or course, you have to create the profile. Once you create the profile, then you have to choose then you do the payment, deposit the payment to the international website or concerned platform. Once you do the payment, you have to submit the payment trail to the global IT certification with relevant payment proof, bank statement with bank statement. The three things, basically two things mandatory. One's bank statement where your payment or your concerned transaction must be prominent. And other thing is uh, uh, when you exam will be occurred. Definitely the concern institution or platform will provide you or will intimate you via email. This date you have to be ready about exam. The email trail you need to attach under the payment trail. Then once you submit the payment trail, and uh, uh, and you have to appear in exam, and once you fulfill the once you grab the certificate, you have to upload the certificate as well with account number where you want to get back your money. The three minor step are here. Once you get or fulfill all the requirement, your payment will be reimbursed. So make sure your certification must be successfully completed. If you unable to get or unable if you fail to grab the certificate or fulfill the requirement, uh, your fee uh, uh, your fee uh, not be reimbursed. So that's all for today video. I hope this tutorial helped you uh, understand the topic, like how to grab a global IT certificate for Punjab Provision students and professionals. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge for Professionals. If you have any question or suggestion for future videos, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.